guys, we are making fluffy slime in these bowls.
Glass bowls. Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna,
a spaceman.
I'm gonna put the water over here so it's flat. Wait, no, it's fine.
Okay, which one do you put in first?
Okay, so guys, we've got a PVA glue. PVA glue. Need to put this in first because I know how to make it. Should I?
I'm going to give this video how to make fluffy slime.
Yeah.
Because people will search that.
Okay, so PVA glue first.
That's a step to be a famous YouTuber. If you want to shout out, subscribe and turn on notifications and comment down below notification squad if you want to shout out.
Okay, so put about that much
Oh
in.
my god.
Well, not this much, but like about this much. Okay, squeeze it. Okay, that'll be enough. Because you've got a bigger bowl.
You
so-
need about that much PVA glue in.
Yeah, just a little bit of PVA glue. Like a lot, like medium.
It's
So we'll
like
put that-
if you have, it depends on the bigger your bowl.
So now
is.
we've got this because we've got no shaving cream, so we're just using our sisters
Yeah.
because it makes like a rush.
It gives the rashes. Okay, give us it.
That'll
Give
be
us it.
enough. And then. Okay, I'll wait till you finish. Okay, that'll be enough.
There.
Okay, and then we're just gonna put that much water in, just a little bit of water. That'll be enough. That's a bit too much, but oh well. And
Okay,
then
you
we've
need.
got-
This depends on how big your bowl is, and then
Yeah.
you need some water
So
in.
you've got a
Then
mixing spoon.
and
Oh
you
God.
need a mixing spoon,
Mixing
and then
spoon. Just
and
mix it,
just
I guess.
mix it. Mix it up. Mix it up.
Try and go
mix
a
it
bit faster because we don't want them waiting for too long
Yeah,
because we don't know how to do time lapse.
I do.
Yeah, but you need to edit it like properly. Okay,
Whoa, I think I knew.
guys, if this doesn't work, will you make a part 2 if this doesn't work?
Yeah, I'll make a part 2 if this doesn't work. I think it might will.
It might work because mine's getting a bit more harder. So you just need to mix it for a bit.
Yeah.
Oh,
ta-da.
my arm's hurting and like I've never made slime before, but I've watched videos of how to make slime.
Tried to,
mine's
but it didn't turn out very good.
Kind of turning to slime. I'll put a bit more of this in.
I might need a bit more water.
No.
I think the shaving cream makes it fluffy.
Yeah, that's because shaving cream is fluffy, but we're using because
And the
we're not in
PVA glue
America.
makes it sticky.
This is
so
foam
it's like slime.
soap. This is foam soap, so it's
The
basically.
water makes it runny.
Mhm.
The PVA glue makes it like sticky and slimy. And the shaving cream makes it fluffy. If I splashed you there, guys, sorry about that.
I don't think you did.
Oh, this is getting harder.
Is it? Okay, so it might be working. You're supposed to be the one talking.
Yeah,
Well,
no.
I'm the instructor right now because you don't know.
Otherwise,
How
I
to
don't even know. Mine's so fluffy.
Is it? Oh my god, it is. It's like really fluffy. Just wipe it on the towel because we've got 2 towels down because our mom doesn't want our carpet getting dirty. Well, it doesn't really matter if we do because we're moving into a different room.
Yeah.
Anyway, so the next time we make slime, we might be in our new rooms.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make it in your room or my room.
Mine. Because I'm the main YouTuber.
Yeah. Mine kind of turned into slime.
But we'll do a tour around our new house.
Yeah. Well, you haven't seen our new house. You've only saw our old house. Will you do that on your next video?
Yeah. Well, my next video isn't going to be when it's done. My next video is going to be like,
What?
every day, bro.
Yeah.
It's every day, bro. With a Disney Channel flow. Fam, no one needs to pick this one. Never done before. But other competition and PewDiePie
Guys,
is next.
we need to get 100 subscribers.
Remember? Yeah. Because
Okay.
I really need the bronze play button.
A lot of. I don't think it's worked.
You need to mix it like one.
I know, but this video can't be on for an hour.
So we'll have to do a part 2. Oh my god, it's already been over 4 minutes.
I know. Should should we stop
Oh,
when
mine's
it's
getting fluffy.
I know, because it's...
Oh my god, my arm's tired.
I know.
I'm gonna get a dead arm soon.
I'm gonna have a drink of water.
She's quiet.
I know. Oh, that water is so close to spinning me now.
I thought it was so good.
I know. This will probably have to be a part 2. But if mine works, then I'll show you mine. I think we don't have everything.
I'm watching on the video.
Sorry guys, if you're still here, guys.
You are the bomb.com.
Okay, I don't think this is work. It kind of worked, I guess. Kind of.
Soon
Guys,
I'm
look at
gonna
my
be.
hand. It's like so sticky, it won't come off.
Guys, I'm only doing a 3 challenge if we reach 100 subscribers.
Okay,
As
so
fast as possible.
I know. He's only got 17 subscribers.
I might have more
He
now.
might have 20.
I might.
I think this will have to be part 2. Yeah, should we stop, guys?
Okay, guys.
Okay, we'll have...
We're gonna watch another video.
Okay,
And
we'll
do
make fluffy slime.
Yeah, and then do part 2 of this.
Okay. So...
Okay.
Peace.